Hey guys, today I will share things that I tested on Temu that simply just not worth your time. I wish I had known this before. And at the end, I review to you the only method that truly works. Buy $70 worth of product and pay only $20. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Local shipping. Many people saying buying from local shipping, it's better because it's faster. Well, yes, it is faster, but there's a hidden cost. They charge $3 for each item shipped. Now imagine you buy 6 items. So now you need to pay $18 of shipping, only for shipping. And here's the tricky part. Oh, but some people say they will remove the shipping cost if you buy $30 worth products. Yes, that is true. Sounds doable. Well, not really, but it only happens if you buy from the same warehouse. Since Temu ships from multiple warehouses, it's almost impossible to get rid of this fee. I saw some videos on YouTube that says, oh, if you see a deal, just put it in your cart and buy it fast. Sure, products sell out very fast on Temu, but most of the time, a new deal will pop up sooner. That is a tip for you. Temu rotates discounts. The same product gets even cheaper in the next couple of days. That happens a lot. Here's a trick that most people don't use on Temu. Price adjustment. If the price drops within 30 days of your purchase, you can claim the difference back. If you don't know how to request an adjustment, click the link. I bet you have a cashback waiting for you. Third mistake, playing farmland game. No! At first it's exciting. You level up fast, you collect a lot of water, and reach 90% in no time. And then you think, oh, I'm gonna get there fast. But that's when Temu Casino strategy kicks in. Once you hit 90%, everything slows down. Suddenly, you get less water per day. And here's the worst part. Once you hit 98%, you need 4 times the effort to get 1% more. It's a trap designed to keep you on the edge, falling for pop-up offers. Temu bombards you with a lot of pop-ups like limited time discount, get this for free, and to be honest, some offers are real. Yes, most of the time you need to buy something to unlock extra discounts, and in the end, you spend more than you were planning. Let me show you a strategy that really works. With this method, you can buy $70 worth products and pay only $20. You want to know how? Smash the like button, click the link in the description for the full breakdown, or you can watch this video here.